Hey, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are a family living in Germany.
Ich wohne in Deutschland.
We've just moved here last year, and we are trying to see as much of Europe as we can see.
By profession, I'm a photographer and a creatives director, which has afforded me a lot of opportunities to travel. And I want to pass that love for different cultures, different ways of doing things, and all the beautiful parts of our world onto my children. I love the memories that travel makes. So we are taking advantage of living in Europe, just getting in a car and going to most of these places.
It's awesome, it's so much fun until they all start fighting in the van.
Swiss Alps.
I really like Prague.
Probably Prague. Probably Prague. Finland. I don't know how to say it.
Switzerland? We have traveled before. We've crossed the entire United States. You can see that on a video from the past.
So we're just gonna bring you guys along onto some of our journeys. I wanna show you places that you could go in short amounts of time, what you could do there, and what kids like to do there, or at least what my children like to do there. And so these are just little snippets of spots with some ideas of what you can do when you are traveling with your kids.
Here's what you won't find here. You won't find a lot of expensive things to do because we're specifically looking for things that are cheap or even free.
It's important to us to not make our trips too expensive because we just don't have that big of a budget to work off of, and we've got a lot of people. Big family, little budget. They're being quiet in the background right now while I talk to you.